before the storm hits. My GPS is locked for at least a good minute. As soon as I turned my camera on, it was on. So I am set to go. I'm in my 4K standard mode. So here I go, all the way down and all the way back. Video's recording, GPS on.